We all wash our hands, whether that be with soap and water or with an anti-bac solution, so our hands are nice and clean. But what happens as soon as you pick up your mobile device or touch any device, mouse or keyboard or whatever it may be, you might as well have not bothered washing them, because your germs have just come back onto your hands again from the device that you've touched. Hello and welcome to another video from the AzTech. Today we're looking at the new spray twice a day antibacterial cleaning solution from PanzerGlass. PanzerGlass are market leaders when it comes to device protection and are known for their quality. They've now taken protection to the next level with this new anti-bac spray. PanzerGlass is a Danish company and they've been working with the Danish Technological Institute to develop this spray. So let's open it up and see what we've got in here. Okay, so we've got a 100ml bottle here. It's a massive bottle. In fact, it's huge, and it's not going to run out anytime soon. We've also got a microfiber cloth for cleaning as well. Okay. Good thing is about this is that when this does run low, I should be able to buy myself a refill for it, so I don't actually have to throw the bottle away. So it saves the environment obviously by less plastic waste, which is also a great touch, so well done Panzer on that one. You're probably thinking, why do I need an anti-bac cleaner for my phone? The answer is simple. Phones and other devices carry germs and bacteria. Time magazine reported that a study showed more than 17,000 bacterial gene copies on the phones of high school children. The same report states that the average mobile phone is 10 times dirtier than a toilet seat. And in some tests, they've even found traces of MRSA and even E. coli. So there's a very good reason why you need anti-bac for your devices. Okay, so let me show you how easy it is to clean your device with the new spray. So obviously just pop the lid off, just general spray bottle. Take the device, give it a spray, microfiber side of the cloth, wipe it over. Okay, the one spray that you've done on the front of the device will give the cloth enough to do the back side of the device as well. Okay, so you can do the front and the back. And once you've wiped it over, you flip the cloth over and then dry it with the other side of the cloth. Okay, all around the device. And then you have a device that not only looks really clean, but you can also have the peace of mind that it is not carrying any more germs or bacteria, etc. It's that simple, but it doesn't stop there. You can also use other devices. So like I've got a mouse here, for example, that I use. Just give the mouse a spray and do the same thing with the mouse. Just wipe it over, flip the cloth over and give it a try. Easy. So anything else that your hands come in contact with, you can also use the spray for that as well. So when you're looking at tablets, obviously watches, you've got keyboards, laptops, remote controls, whatever it may be, give it a spray with this, give it a wipe over and just make sure that it's not carrying any nasty germs or bacteria. So I'm sure now you're thinking, where can I buy this anti-bac cleaner from? So I've put a link in the description below for where you can actually buy it from, and also I've put links down there as well for the time report that I read, as well as the link to the Danish Technological Institute, so you can have a little look at what those guys do over there. Another thing you may be thinking is, surely I can just use any old anti-bac cleaner on my devices. That's wrong. So, reason for that, the majority of anti-bac cleaners also have chemicals that are not suitable for cleaning electronic devices, and you'll do more harm than good if you were to use them. The recommended solution for cleaning devices is actually 60% water and 40% rubbing alcohol, or PanzerGlass spray twice a day. A lot easier in my opinion. So, to protect us and our loved ones and to give us all that peace of mind we need, PanzerGlass spray twice a day for all your devices. Highly recommended. Thanks for watching. See you next time.